I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and this video is to demonstrate a staggered wheel setup for all 2005 to 2009 Mustangs using a 20x8 wheel up front along with a 255/35 R20 and a 20x10 wheel and corresponding 275/35 R20 tire in the rear. Now in this video, I'll go over what a staggered setup is, fitment in the wheel well area, who this setup might be ideal for, and finally what to expect when driving with this setup on your Mustang. First things first, a staggered wheel setup on a Mustang is when those rear wheels are slightly wider than the front wheels, which lets you run a wider tire in the back, as opposed to going with a standard or square setup, which is going to use the same size wheel and tire on all four corners. Now, this staggered setup is very popular, as you can see from the pictures provided by fellow S197 customers. This setup is ideal for those of you who want a more aggressive, old school muscle car stance with those wider wheel and tires in the rear. Now, those wider rear tires will allow for a larger contact patch with the road, providing a little bit more traction. Now, this is especially helpful when you're adding more power to your ride. Driving with this staggered setup, you can expect to maintain stock-like handling characteristics with no rubbing issues whatsoever, and this setup will fit all 2005 to 2009 Mustangs with factory suspension, or even cars that have been lowered up to 2 inches. One important note to keep in mind when running a staggered setup on your Mustang is that you will not be able to rotate your tires in the traditional sense from front to rear. Now, of course, you can always rotate the tires from side to side, unless, of course, they are a directional tire, meaning the tread pattern is designed to rotate in only one direction. Again, this staggered setup of a 20x8 inch wheel and a 255/35 R20 tire up front, along with a 20x10 inch wheel and 275/35 R20 tire in the rear, is a very popular choice with our customers and will give your Mustang a wider, more aggressive stance over that stock setup. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set from us here at AmericanMuscle.com, we make it very easy for you to get these on your Mustang. You can choose to have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and you can also select to have your TPMS sensors installed and pick up a transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, to ensure proper installation of those new wheels, we do recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 1/2 inch by 20 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most aftermarket wheels. Again, you can always find those here on the site if you are interested. Then at that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your ride in no time. Now, if you do have any more questions about this setup for your Mustang, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. As always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanMuscle.com.